Hello, it's Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres or PMR 446. Okay, so I'm down in the car with the Grant 2 and an SWR meter because I've managed to find a suitable replacement antenna, kind of. I've had to rewire the mag mount that it's on because the cable was very damaged. I'm just going to put this into the correct mode for where I need to be. It needs to be FM. So, first things I'm going to do, let's see how it works. Okay. Let's turn that up a wee bit. That's reading the power, that's why. Try again. It's just gone right off. It's going to have to be moved back. Scan APRS beacons there. And almost near enough a perfect match. Okay. Unless that's got something to do with the cars I've just pulled up outside, I don't know. Okay. And yeah, barely moving it. Let's try the UK band. No muppets. Try that again. And yeah. It seems to be working. That's kind of impressive. One last check. I've seen the channel that the imbeciles like to sit on. I don't need to adjust that, that's actually good. Yeah, so, okay. That's the CB checked. I wonder what it'll do on 10 metres. Okay, I've got the 10 metre rig set up and I've noticed something rather worrying. When I key it up like this, Mike 0 Whiskey November uniform carrying out tests. You would have seen there the SWR on the radio, the 9900 was showing us 2.3. On the SWR meter itself, showing close to 3. Yeah, that means that antenna is definitely too long for 10 metres, so I'm going to, and I can't shorten it any further without cutting it, and because I don't want to cut that antenna, I might just have to buy another one that I can sacrifice the whip on. So, there we have it. 11 metres, perfectly fine. 10 metres, no. I'm not going to get very far. There is just one last little test I want to do, and that's the audio quality of the Grant 2. And there is actually a way I can do that. Okay, now anyone who knows the President Grant 2 and the CRT SS9900 knows that they're both capable of SSB. But anyone else who knows the CRT SS9900 also knows that it can be programmed for the UK citizens' band frequencies, which is, well, illegal. So, obviously I'm not going to transmit on that radio because that's just a silly thing to do, but I am going to transmit on the Grant 2, which is perfectly legal to do and perfectly fine. And I've noticed that one of the potentiometers is slightly popped off the front of that. I think it's just the knob, not the actual pot itself, so that should be fine. So, I'm just going to key up on the Grant 2 briefly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I couldn't hear that, let's try again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Louder. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's probably a bit of feedback now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sideband. So I need to put that into band D. So the test receiver's in band D. Oh, what's going on there? 11. Tango side band. Let's see how we're going. Oop. 1 2 1 2. Oh dear, that's not good. That tells me there's something wrong with this microphone, I think. Yeah, there must be, because there shouldn't be anything like that at all. Yeah, so that's modulating something. Unless I'm off frequency. Yeah, I don't think so. So SSB seems to be a bit rubbish on the ground too today. That's a shame. Don't know what's going on there. I'll have to investigate. And I'll update you on that one later. So 7-3s for now. It's Paul, Mike 0, Whiskey November, Uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 on 11 meters and PMR 446. 7-3s for now.